Frederick Savage's workshop made fairground rides, including merry-go-rounds with brightly coloured galloping horses to ride on. Merry-go-rounds are still popular today. Maybe you've been to the fair and seen them. These merry-go-rounds inspired today's craft, and I'll be showing you how to make a merry-go-round with 4 galloping horses. You will need a paper plate or circle of cardboard, some paper, colouring pens and a spare pencil, wool or string, sticky tape and scissors. Start by creating your horses. To make your horses, you can draw or trace them or print out a template. Frederick Savage's horses were made from wood. One horse would take up to 10 days to make. Its body was made of nearly 30 different pieces of wood. At Frederick Savage's workshop, they didn't only make gallopers in the shape of horses, they also made ostriches, cockerels, pigs and cats. Once you've created 4 horse shapes, you will need to cut them out. You might find it easier to cut out a rough shape before going in closer and cutting round the edges of your horse. Ask an adult to help you. Next, cut 4 short pieces of wool or string. Turn your horse shapes over and use sticky tape to stick the string to the back. We will be using the plate this way up. We will be fixing our horses to the other side. Use sticky tape to secure the string. Space the horses out evenly. Frederick Savage's biggest merry-go-rounds had 56 horses arranged in rows of 4. It's now time to colour in your horses. Frederick Savage used lots of bright colours and patterns in his merry-go-rounds. Frederick Savage's horses also had names. Why not name your horses? You can also colour in your plate. Frederick Savage's rides had exciting names like Razzle Dazzle, Sea on Land and Wheelie Whirly. What would you call your merry-go-round? Make a hole in the centre of the plate using a pencil or scissors. Ask a grown-up to help you. Place your plate on the sharpened end of a pencil and give it a spin. Well done! Frederick Savage would be impressed.